Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we're going to basically discuss two airdrops. One of them is SWAPFONE. With no doubt, SWAPFONE airdrop, they are developing rapidly towards their TGE and listing right now, and we have the latest news for you. And the second airdrop we're going to talk about is AriChain. Okay, all you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if it's the first time you're coming to my channel, consider subscribing. If you look at AriChain official Twitter account, also the same news pop up on their official Telegram account, but would like to use the one on Twitter. It says that, good morning, how is everyone doing today? Heavy rain is coming by November. Okay, so guys, this is a good news. This line you are just seeing here mean a lot of things on SWAPFONE airdrop. First of all, let us quickly look at SWAPFONE, which is their official app right now. Are you mining the airdrop now? How many points have you getting so far, which is USDS? And what are you expecting as USDT in this airdrop? You have to drop in the comment section. Let us know your opinion. Let us visit the airdrop and see what is currently going on there. As you can see, this is their official app, and this is where we are mining. As of the moment, you can see that I have about 768 USDS, which is the total mined so far. And as of the moment, I have referred about 72 people. Okay, now if we click on mine, it's going to take us to the interface where we're mining the project. Okay, one thing about this app that I will not keep on saying is that the app is full of ads. Okay, I don't know whether that is where they are going to raise their fund from to settle the community when it is time for TGE, but the user experience on the app is seriously bad. Imagine trying to access something, you have to press like how many times because of ads. It is very terrible. You understand? However, we're optimistic based on the fact that the app is collaborating with some big exchanges like Pi Network and so on. We still give it a little percentage of trust. Okay, so guys, now if we come back home, there is something I want to show you. If we scroll down a little bit, you also see this news released by them, which says that the key is in front of the door. The moment we have been all waiting for. Comment with your S20 address in the comment and wait for the key. Okay, install SWAPFONE before it is too late. Okay, so for those of you that have not gotten the app, you can also install the app right now. Okay, and based on what they are saying now, it is their preparation towards TGE and listing. Okay, so what is there is that if you look at another information released by them about 6 days ago, it says that USDS has become the second most mined cryptocurrency in 2025. That means USDS is the most second mined cryptocurrency in 2025. That is amazing. Okay, that is a good record there. SWAPFONE is growing day by day and slowly revolutionizing the crypto world. Okay, to celebrate, we are giving one last chance to 3 lucky winners to double their USDS. Okay, all this one are just their campaign. So guys, this airdrop is seriously, if what they are saying is truth, then definitely we're expecting something from the airdrop. Now, what you do to stay at most on the airdrop, now that is to get most out of the airdrop, number one is to give them referrals. Okay, as you can see, I've given them about 72 referrals, and new users will still come through my referral link. You understand? So now if we come back to the wallet, okay, as you can see on my wallet, I have about 800 total 800 USDT worth of USDS, which is the one we are mining here. I don't know whether there is going to be conversion. Probably there will be conversion. It is through that conversion, that is when they are giving a location, that they will consider many factors like how active you are on the airdrop, the total number of referrals given, as well as certain tasks performed on the airdrop. That is when they will allocate you with the SWAPFONE. So according to them, the SWAPFONE you are seeing here, the total you are seeing here, which is 168 worth about 800 USDT, right? Which means that if this is the case, then 1 USDS worth over 1 USDT. Okay, it may be around that kind 1.3 USDT. Okay, so that is what is going on here right now. Okay, so you should not take this airdrop for granted. You can see other projects that have been listed here so far. One of them is Pinecoin here. We have Ripple, we have Solana here, we have Tether, which is USDT Tether. And we scroll down a little bit, you can see other airdrops like Grass, Chainlink, and so on. So if you look at some of these, there are big projects already to show you that, okay, SWAPFONE may be a good project. Secondly, this is not a Telegram project, okay? They have their own wallet, and on their wallet, that is where they are mining. And as we're talking now, the certain, coins, as you can see, the certain cryptos are active here. And there's also send and receive option. You can see send, you can see receive. But the problem we're having about the airdrop is the too much ads that is popping up. Okay, I don't know whether this is going to stop when it is time for TGE and listing period. Okay, so you have to complete these tasks if you have not joined them. Number one is join their official Telegram. Okay, so do you see it now? So it's taking us to the Telegram. I have joined already. Okay, however, let it pop up first. So I have joined. Then for joining it, you claim rewards, and secondly, you join their Twitter and so on. So that is what I have for you about SWAPFONE airdrop for now. And also for the AriChain, from what we have discovered so far, number one, the registration will be postponed to early November, and you have to prepare by registering on Discord and stay active. Okay, if you have not also gotten your MetaMask or Trust wallet, you have to download them and register before the time. And secondly, after the registration is completed, the TGE and listing of the airdrop is expected to take place by early or late December. You understand? But probably the listing of Ari is going to take place by ending of the year. Now, I want you to drop in the comment section also, what are you expecting from this airdrop based on the total you have mined so far. Let's say your total mining point, which is Ari point, and what you are expecting from the airdrop. What kind of price do you think it will favor almost everybody that mine the project? Okay, so guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.